Hey, if you want to record audio on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the Start in the taskbar and then just open the Microsoft Store. Now at the top, click on the search and input sound recorder phrase. I can recommend you to use the Windows Sound Recorder application. So click on it once and then click to get. Now you will have to wait for the downloading process. It will take around the dozen of the seconds. As you can see here, we can find the downloading process. And as you can see right now, after a few seconds, we already have this on our PC. So what we have to do is just to click open. Now it looks like this application needs to update. So we are getting the update. It is actually ready for us, and we'll have to just wait on the on-screen instructions. As you can see here, we can follow the downloading process, and here we are. Now, when we click on this icon in the right upper corner and go to the settings, we can actually get the audio quality mode. So as default is actually set as the automatic, but I can recommend you to get it to get the best quality of your records. And also we can change the record format. As default is set for the AAC, but I can recommend you to go, for example, for the MP3. Then go back, and to start recording, before we start recording, just click here and be sure that you select your microphone. And then just click here, click to let sound recorder to access the microphone, and now we can actually find this sound recorder is working properly. You can mark something right here so it will be visible with this red line, and to pause, click here, to continue, click here one more time, and to finish, just click right here. And as you can see right now, we can find this file just right here. When you click on it with the right mouse button, you can quickly rename. So let's input current date. That's the rename. And when we click on it with the right mouse button, we can show in the folder. So that's actually the path where our records are. That's actually in the documents. So yeah, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.